In question 5, I'm given a function, and I'm asked to evaluate that function when the input is -2. And that's not bad. If my input is -2, you can see that I'm taking and I'm writing parentheses to hold my input value. My input value is going to be -2, and then plus 4, and then parentheses for that input value, right? So you can see I've got something, x gets squared, and then I add 4 times x. The parentheses are really important because there's meanings that change, right, if we're not using this notation. My input value is -2, so I place it in the parentheses both sets. And when I look at this now, it's very clear that -2 is what's getting squared. And when I square -2, right, when I square -2, I get the value of +4. So I've got a +4 there, plus 4 times -2. 4 times -2 is -8. So this is 4 minus the number 8, and 4 minus 8 is -4. So the answer for part A anyways is -4. The next part, I'm asked, hey, what value would you give this function? What do I give this function if I want to get an output of 47? What goes in to produce 47? So in this case, what I'm looking for is, look, I want the output to be the number 47. So I write that right there where the y is. That's my target. And then I write what the rule for this function is. It says 1/3 times x plus 51. So my goal is to figure out the value of x that's going to produce this output of 47. And to do that, I'm going to go ahead and grab my calculator because I'm feeling tired. It's the end of the day, and I'm going to type 47 minus 51. 47 minus 51, I got -4. So I got -4 is equal to 1/3 x. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and take both sides, and I'm going to multiply both sides by 3. If I multiply this right-hand side times 3, 1/3 x times 3 is just going to give me x. And on the other side, I get -12. So my understanding is that if I take and I bring -12 into this function, that's my input, it's going to produce an output of 51. And I can verify that just by my calculator going 1/3, and then I'll multiply that times -12, and then I'll add 51. And yep, it's 47. That was me just checking it verbally. All right, that's it for that question.